Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to English with Afshan. Today we discuss IELTS Complete Overview, International English Language Testing System, English with Afshan. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to English with Afshan. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in English, IELTS Complete Overview. This video is perfect for beginners who want to start preparation of IELTS. Let's start. What is IELTS? Today we discuss all the topics, types, IDP or British Council, marking criteria, result, test format and modules. What is IELTS? I for international, E for English, L for language, T for testing, S for system. What are language characteristics? Two types of language characteristics. Acquire a language, native speakers. Learn a language, second language speakers. Acquire a language, process listening, speaking, reading and writing. Learn a language, reading, writing, speaking and listening to a teacher. To learn a teacher or any other guider. What is International English Language Testing System? It's an examination in rooted words for most experts and used globally by universities and colleges to measure the competency of people who wish to study or work in English-speaking countries. So, International English Language Testing System is very important. IELTS test types: academic and general training. Both are modules valuing your aptitude in listening, reading, writing. We discuss IELTS test format. IELTS listening 30 minutes, 4 sections and 40 questions. In reading change general and academic IELTS. In academic reading 60 minutes and general have 60 minutes. But academic reading have 3 paragraphs and general reading have 5 paragraphs. But both tasks have 40 questions. And academic writing have 60 minutes. Have 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. And speaking have 12 to 14 minutes and have 3 tasks. Listening test recorded general, audio general and academic same test duration about 30 to 35 minutes plus 10 minutes. Transfer them on answer sheet. Test parts 4 questions and 40 items. Types of questions in listening: multiple choice, matching, plan, map, diagram labeling, form and note completion, table completion, flowchart completion, and sentence completion. All the type of questions having listening. Reading test duration 60 minutes. No answer transfer that. Recommended time for each part 20 minutes. 40 questions items, part 3 paragraphs in academic and 3 sections in general. All the parts are very important. Reading question types: multiple choice, identifying information, true, false, not given, identifying writer's view, claims, yes, no, not given, matching information, heading, features, sentence ending, sentence completion, summary completion, note completion and table completion, etc. All the questions are very important for your age test. So don't waste your time and follow your time management. Writing test duration. Writing tasks have 60 minutes. You should spend about 20 minutes on task 1 and about 40 minutes in task 2. Task 1 and task 2. You have to write at least 150 words in task 1 and you have to write at least 250 words in task 2. But minimum words 150 or 250 and maximum 270 and 170. Both are important. Academic writing test task 1 presents table, graph, line or bar graph, chart, pie or flow chart, map, diagram, etc. Candidate will define in own words information contained in graphs, diagrams, tables and chart. Task 2. Essay writing. In response to a topic which is presents as a point of view or a problem response, for both tasks should be written formal style. Speaking test, general and academic writing. Speaking tests have 11 to 14 minutes tasks. A face-to-face interview with an examiner. Speaking test part 1. Timing 4 to 5 minutes. Topic like common topics, hometown, work or study are different general topics. Speaking test part 2. Individual long turn 3 to 4 minutes in each task. And last task 1 is discussion task. Choose in both tasks some question and examiner conversation with candidate. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Afshan. Thank you for watching. See you in the next English lesson. Allah Hafiz.